Hi there, students. A minion. A minion is a loyal servant, a loyal supporter, a follower, or a subordinate, an agent of, a servant of. Normally a loyal supporter of somebody more powerful. Satan and his minions. The company sent one or two of its minions to clear up the mess, one or two of its minor workers. I talked to the bank manager and he agreed the mortgage, and then he sent me off with one of his minions to sort out the paperwork, one of his servants, one of his lesser workers. So a minion, a follower, a henchman, a lackey, a flunky, yeah? Maybe Mr. Johnson and his minions are trying to sort out the mess in the UK. The boss gives instructions to his minions so that they do all the work. Now, to me, the question is this word minion positive or negative? I think it's quite negative nowadays. I think a minion is saying somebody unimportant, somebody lesser. Yeah? But in the past, this word used to be more positive. It comes from French, a lover, a favourite, a darling. And it also used to mean that in English, but I think that's obsolete nowadays. You also have the word or the food filet mignon, which is a steak, beef, which is a cut from the centre of the thick end of a sirloin, a really good quality piece. Yeah. So filet mignon. So mignon, it used to be a darling, a favourite follower, loyal supporter, but nowadays it's become a word that means a lesser individual, a subordinate, a servant, one of the minor workers. So I think the meaning nowadays is really a negative thing, a flunky, a lackey, a henchman. Okay, so somebody and his minions, his supporters, the people who do what he says. Now, next question, formality. I think I'd probably give this word maybe a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it in a very informal conversation. I'd say a supporter or a flunky or a lackey, something like that, or just a subordinate. Or even just a slave. I think it's probably better for things that are semi-formal and formal. A minion, it sounds quite literary as well. So a good word to use if you're writing an essay about something. Okay, so a minion, a subordinate. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A minion.